Today I want to show you 3 examples of our latest innovations concerning connectivity. Starting with the first one. Here the big trend is energy storage systems. The connectivity for energy storing systems will be offered with the so-called HAN-S. The HAN-S is a product which offers you a safe, reliable connectivity due to polarization of the mating phase. So it is impossible to mate the plus to the minus, as well as a very solid locking system. With this locking system, the benefit is that you can see from a distance if the connection is locked, yes or no. And this finally increases the overall quality. Clearly, this product comes with 1500 volts and 200 amps, as well as the latest UL specifications, which this product fulfills. So therefore, this is the choice for future application within energy storing systems. When it comes to rear mounting of energy storing systems, here we offer so-called docking frames. Within the docking frame system, we have a new module. It is the 300 amp module. And this is an increase of amperage which can be used for these docking systems. The great benefit is here that the 300 amp module is finger protected on both sides, so very secure. And we have a mating compatibility with the 200 amp module. So this allows you to be scalable within your design. The second example, here we jump to the field of machinery, where I want to show you some examples how to deal with shielded cable. Because today it is that if you use shielded cable, you need to use so-called EMC housings as well as EMC cable glands. So what we offer is that single modules will be able to shield directly inside a standard connector. So every single module can be shielded. We offer actually 2 variants. One is a power module, which can be seen here, as well as a module for signals, which contains 27 contacts. And both options allows you to decrease costs and allow you to choose connectors with a broader variant because you can use standard connectors instead of EMC types. Later we came here to a new connector size. It is the size L32B. So what is the idea behind? If you're using today 2 pieces of size 16B types, you can merge both together in the so-called size L32B. So instead of 2 connectors, you are able to use only 1 connector, and the benefit is clear. First of all, you decrease the weight, you decrease also the cost, and you also can minimize the form factor of your overall interfaces. So that is a great benefit, finally, to create smaller machines in future. So to summarize, these 3 examples are options for you to decrease your costs, to minimize the form factor within your interface panels, and finally to have the great benefit of weight reduction. Thank you very much.